Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TDI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which has really give this A3 that standout road appearance. As well, it is a part of the approved used range that does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at some of the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the black exhaust tips, black window surrounds, the black wing mirror caps, and also the black front grille. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-on trapezoid alloys finished in a diamond cut, and they do really complement that lovely blue paint. To the side of the vehicle there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view. And now moving into the boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we find up to 380 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a hatchback of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well, there is a leather centre armrest which is for then to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. There's also ample leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine nap leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you get these full leather sports seats with the Audi Sports logo and the white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured at 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, you do have access to telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, where we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as also having access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this now we find the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.